Long ago, in someone else's lifetime, someone with my name who looked a lot like me came to know a man who made a promise he only had to say, and that's where she would be. Lately, although feelings run just as deep, the promise she made has grown impossible to keep, and yet I wish it wasn't so. Will he miss me if I go? In a way, it's someone else's story. I don't see myself as taking part at all. Yesterday, a girl that I was fond of finally could see the writing on the wall. Sadly, she realized she left him behind, and sadder than that, she knew he wouldn't even mind. And though there's nothing left to say, will he miss me if I stay? It's all very well to say, you fool, it's now or never. I could be choosing no choices whatsoever. I could be in someone else's story, in someone else's life, and he could be in mine. I don't see a reason to be lonely. I could take my chances further down the line. And if that girl I know should ask my advice, I wouldn't hesitate. She needn't ask me twice. Go now, tell her that I'm free. Trouble is, girl, is me. The story